I warmly welcome you to Infinity Learning Space. We are teaching with passion and compassion to guide you to pass your exam successfully.
Sales transaction. At that time, what will happen is this non-current asset has to be classified as non-current asset held for sale, because your intention is to recover carrying value principally through a sales transaction. That is the primary criteria of classifying any non-current asset as held for sale asset.
Because without knowing this, it's very difficult for us to apply certain other techniques. So, but of course, you might have a lot of complexities in these areas. So let me help you through to make those complex areas as simple as possible.
Write something here. So next to this arrow, I will say strategy. I'll say strategy. So the second line is strategy.
The role of the CEO and chair, that's another governance issue, CEO chairman duality. So one person is acting both CEO and chairman, means what is weak here is the governance. And there have been reports that virtually all decisions in the organization must go through him.
And then to make the business idea successful, you need a couple of assets, let's say ABC. And to fund these assets, to buy this asset, you need to figure out a way of funding, which can be your own money, let's say savings, or borrowed money from your parents, a debt, or a mix of.
Free on board when the goods are right on the vessel. Now if I draw a vessel here, when the goods are on the vessel, then only you can recognize the revenue. But if you take FCA contract, when goods are handed over to a forwarder who will eventually hand over to, and now see what is the contractual document here? BL. What is BL? Bill of lading. Right, so that's the official document issued saying that goods are on the vessel and it's handed over, it's ready to go, vessel is going to sail, right? So at that point you recognize revenue. Here
that answer, in other words, the answer that you obtained for the previous formula, now in this case you multiply by 1 plus r. So let's apply the figures and see. So you have seen now cumulative compound factor answer is now more than the answer you obtained earlier. So when the annuity is a normal annuity, when the annuity is an ordinary annuity, the value of cumulative compound factor is 6.1051. Here the
This analysis of export revenue, what I have done, export revenue divided by total revenue into 100, then export revenue I have taken from the answer.
You make the decision to show logistic and power and energy, club them together under the other segment. If you put anything under the other segment, then you need to go for the consolidation and revenue test as well.